everybody! It is time to multiply by the most fun factors there are. And the first one starts with 0, so let's check it out. Absolute 0. Right here. Absolute 0. It's like 0 degrees with these penguins. 0 is a cinch to do. The answer's right in front of you. For every problem, it's the same. Zilch, or 0, is its name. So check it out. 0 times 0, what is it? 0. 0 times 5, oh my gosh, it's 0. 0 times 32, oh wait, that's 0. 0 times 273, 0. 0 times 459. Let me think. There's a factor of 0. So guess what? Zilch, or 0 is its name. I love factors of 0. Okay, let's go to the next one. A factor of 1. This one's called one way because there's only one way to be here. So 1 is simple as can be. It's known as the identity. The answer to identify? It's the one you multiply. So check it out here. We have a sign, right? One-way sign. One-way sign to what? Well, there's a one-way to 70. So the answer is 70. Here, a one-way sign to what? 25. So the answer is 25. A one-way sign to 15. A one-way sign to 85. So what is 1 times 31? Well, that would be one way to what? 31. And if I have a one-way sign to 365, 1 times 365 would be 365 because it's the one you multiply. Okay? That's why factors of 1 are fun. All right, let's check out the next factor, the next fun factor. The next fun factor is 2, and it's called the 2-step. 2 is very fast and fun. Quickly double, and you're done. What's that you say? Be more precise? Okay then, just add it twice. So here we have 2 chickens doing the 2-step dance. And oh my gosh, they each have a 2 on them. So what is 2 times 2? Well, it's 2 doubled, which means you're going to do 2 plus 2. That's doubling it, which is 4. So what's 2 times 8? Well, that means 8 doubled. We're going to double that 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, 2s are fun because you just double and you're done. Try it with me. Double and you're supposed to say done. Got it? Okay, here we go. Double and you're done. All right? What do you do if there's a factor of 2? You double and you're done. So what if it is 2 times this one down here, 12? Oh my gosh, double and you're done. So I have to take the 12 and double it. So I need 12 plus 12. So guess what? That's 24. Double and you're done, people. All right, there's one more super fun factor, and that factor is 10. And we call it the perfect 10 because this dog is jumping into this bowl of water with this rubber ducky, and guess what? It's a perfect 10. 10s are so perfect, and they are super fun to multiply with. So let's read it out. 10 is such a breeze to do, all because of place value. To quickly multiply by 10, put a 0 at the end. Okay, what do we mean by that? What is 10 times 10? Oh, well, that's just 10 with a 0 on the end. Because 10 times 10 means you have 10 showing up how many times? 10 times. There it is. See this dog? They're giving him his score, and he got 10 times. So what's his total score? Well, you could sit there and add them up or count by 10s 10 times. Or just know 10s is a breeze to do because of place value. So you can just put a 10 and put a 0 at the end. So if I count by 10 times, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Or I just know 10 with a 0 at the end is also 100. So what is 10 times 9? Well, I could write out 10 groups of 9, or that I don't want to write that many 9s. Or I could write out 9 groups of 10. So now I have 10 showing up how many times? 9 times. So I could count by 10 9 times, or I could just put 9 and put a 0 at the end. 9 times 10 or 10 times 9 is gonna be 90. So let's try some of these problems together, okay? So we have, get a piece of paper to try these with me. Let's write out 0 times 9, okay? Go ahead and put 0 times 9. You're like, oh, I'm so excited, there's a factor of 0. A group of 0 9s. We don't have any 9s, we have 0 of them. And 0 times 9 is 0. All right, let's go to the next one. 1 times 8. Oh, what does that mean? That means we have a group of 1 8. Like, we just have one of these. We just have an 8. So 1 times 8, that's a one-way street to what? 8. Okay? 2 times 6. What does that mean? That means we are doubling what? We are doubling the 6. We have to double 6. So 6 plus 6 means the same thing as 2 times 6, which is, say it, go ahead and say it. You got it? Louder. Good job. It is 12. All right, let's go to a factor of 10. 10 times 4. Oh my gosh, we have a factor of 10. That's so nice because we can use place value if I think of it as 4 tens. 4, if I have 4 of the 10s, 4 tens, I could count by tens 4 times. Or I could just put a 4 and put a 0 at the end, and it'll give me the same number because place value is so awesome. Okay, let's try a few more. Our last one, 0 times 5. That is a group of, say it out loud, 0 5s. So 0 times 5 is, oh my gosh, louder. Good job, 0. No matter what, the answer's none. All right, 1 times 9. That's a group of how many 9s? Only one of them. It says it right here. That's a one-way street to what? 9. Okay, let's go to 2. We have a factor of 2. 2 times 7, that's double the what? Double the 7. So 7 and 7 is not 12. That was 6 and 6. You got it? Say it louder, louder, louder. Good job. 14. And now we have 10 times 8. Oh my gosh, we have a 10, a factor of 10. We could count by tens how many times? 8 times. Or just switch around, that means 8 tens. We have 8 tens. And 8 tens is the same thing as 8 with a 0 at the end. 80. All right, good job. We just went through factors of 0, 1, 2, and 10. Those are the super fun factors. So, woo, 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 woo. Good job. Keep practicing. All right, multiply it up, guys.